we were near to our customers and very easy able to access to our customers working with them. We have to harness in many ways. From zero, we had close to 300 people registered. We had close to 188 confirmed people, out of which big amount crowd joined. One is the engineering resources, engineers, and one is the resources part who are helping the conference. Gone out of Hyderabad, they're coming back. So definitely is a huge amount of local talent. Number one, engineering resources. Second is the conference resources. We pulled people from various parts of India so that they can help us to make this success. Earlier, similarly, when cell phones were not there, what will happen? Every technology when new comes, it creates a new opportunity and also new innovations come into play.
Hi, Namaste, welcome to ITTV, the voice of IT industry. Today, Unravel company conducted a conference on data ops observability. So, why they conducted here, how is the business market in Hyderabad and how is the future of business in IT and data in Hyderabad. We will ask in detail about all this information. Today we have Giriraj with us. He is the VP Engineering and Operations from Unravel. Hello sir, welcome to ITTV.
How are you doing?
So today you launched the conference on data ops observability. So why you chosen this place, Hyderabad?
Sure. So my name is Giriraj Bagdi. I am based off headquarters at Palo Alto, California. So fast forward, right? If I step back and say, we started our office in Hyderabad last year, right? With a commitment to our customers, to our community, and also Hyderabad community, Telangana as such, that we will grow our team. So we grew our team from 1 member to 22 engineers just in 1 year. It means we were near to our customers and very easy able to access to our customers working with them. Now great, build a team, but what next, right? In order to build a team, we have to harness in many ways. And one of the ways is having conferences, giving back to community, building it up. So now we hosted the first Hyderabad conference called Data Observability, hosted by Unravel. A lot of hard work was went to host this conference so that we are harnessing the local talent, getting all the engineers and stakeholders and customers into one room, sharing knowledges, learning from them and giving back.
So how is public response like? How they are interested to participate?
Right. Phenomenal question. When we were doing research, we found there was no such conference done in Hyderabad. Personally, I was a bit scared. Man, what will happen? Now, from zero, we had close to 300 people registered. To an extent, we are thinking, how to shorten this more and more, because 300 was difficult for manage to us in our phase 1, right? So we had close to 188 confirmed people, out of which big amount crowd joined, right? So 180 plus people came to the conference. We had 14 plus speakers, all from various parts of India, right? These are some of the data points we have. Also, the fun part is we see many conferences after lunch or for tea break, people get tired, people go away. What is very common, right?
Yes, very common.
What we saw in this conference is people were there till late last minute, right? To extent even the signboards were going on, but people were still chatting, networking. It means there was a need for people to know each other, communicate each other, harness each other. So that was the exciting part.
So how is the resources availability in Hyderabad and the training facilities available to handle this data, AI and machine learning, and also to handle your products and services?
Yeah. So let's talk about 2 parts of resources. One is the engineering resources, engineers, and one is the resources part who are helping the conference. So we have a talent. We have like a couple of education institutions here, right? There's a local talent here as well. Especially after COVID, what you will see, many people who have gone out of Hyderabad, they're coming back. So definitely there's a huge amount of local talent, which we're able to impart, and we're able to grow the talent in AI, machine learning, DevOps, SRE, all those buzzwords in various fields. That's part of the area. Actually, what we look for skill and will. It means, what I meant was that the local talent is there, but we are willing to train them as long as they're willing to work with us, make an impact on business, on themselves alone, right? So that's the resourcing part. Second, the conference resourcing part, we have learned through experiences. For example, we got somebody from Bangalore, somebody from Bombay to help us out manage the whole organization of the conference, right? So I'm covering two aspects. Number one, engineering resources. Second is the conference resources. We pulled people from various parts of India so that they can help us to make this success.
So what kind of changes we can see in very near future? Because data, AI and machine learning models, importance and significance nowadays everybody will know. But people like me are very enthusiastic to see the changes. But some of the people, they are worried about how to control these AI and machine learning models. So what do you say on this?
Great question. Whenever there's a change, the scare feeling comes, right? But what happens? It opens a lot of new opportunities, right? Earlier step back, there were no computers, right? What will happen? The job will gone when computers happen.
Yes,
Guess what?
Everybody worried on that,
right? But can you imagine, with the help of computers, we solved so many problems, right?
Yes.
We were earlier simulated when cell phones were not there. What will happen? Every technology when new comes, it creates a new opportunity, and also new innovations come into play. So same with data, AI, ML. These are buzzwords, but it will create more opportunities for people, right? Of course, training is required, learning is required, and that's the reason we are here as an Unravel company to provide various kind of solutions for what data, AI, ML, one of the solutions we are able to provide. And also, one of the reasons we are growing talent here, we are harnessing talent. We are hiring those people, giving back to them as well.
Excellent and wonderful idea, sir. So next, what kind of a future conferences we can expect?
Yeah. So based on generally we want to run conference once a year, right? Our first attempt was in Bangalore, second is in Hyderabad. Also, actually, it has to come from community as well, how frequently they want, right? If community thinks, customers think they want more, we are willing to drive miles to make it happen. So it's a combination of efforts, right? And also combination partners who want to work with us to host more of the conference. This was totally driven by us, but if there are more partners, more customers who want to showcase their achievements, their products, we're willing to partner and do more.
So even though you have a very good presence in all over the globe, so why you especially focused your conference here, and how is business market in Hyderabad, and also tell us the infrastructure availability in Hyderabad?
So infrastructure perspective, definitely as we build our teams, we owe to our teams, owe to our families, correct? We have customers here. We have multiple customers here, so definitely business is humming, right? Especially I've seen infrastructure wise, a lot of buildings around, you see construction all around, right? It means infrastructure is going. This is a tech hub we are sitting in. I see as one of the Silicon Valley of India, Hyderabad to be turning out to be in. So we have a great infrastructure, and everything takes times. It's not a one-day effort. So right set in a future progress, we are seeing that happening.
So for the people, students, freshers, BTech freshers, and also people who are working in IT and want to upgrade themselves into the data and AI, is there any suggestions from your end?
Yeah. So I always say, do not run, right? Suppose if you dream to learn data AI, follow that. Don't follow the crowd, right? If you really want to learn data, AI, ML, there are a lot of courses there. But do what you want to do, right? Just don't follow the crowd, right? Because then you're making the best out of your own interest in. So coming back to your question, recommendation, there are a lot of courses around that area, and also our product as well, by the way, you can free trial our product in which you can learn many things you should learn yourself. Try the product out.
So what kind of business enterprises are there presently, how they can get a benefit of this
Product.
data advancements, technology advancements, and also advancements in machine learning and AI. So what do you suggest to the business enterprises? Are they in a position to understand the importance and the need to transform their present infrastructure to this this cloud and data?
Absolutely. My thing is, if you're not making an effort, any businesses, anybody is not making an effort, they'll be behind, right? So time is now to make an effort to learn, right? Every time you learn, you grow, you make an effort, you grow forward. So coming back to businesses, every business have to try to learn the new technologies so that they can apply in their own business and the business will start growing.
Yes, truly said. So what are your future plans, like Unravel company's future plans?
So our plans is, our customer base is increasing. As our customer base increase, we need to provide support to our customers also, correct?
Okay.
So more Hyderabad customers are increasing, similarly see Bangalore ways, similarly US ways. So as we see our customer base is increasing in Hyderabad, we want to close very vicinity to our customers. With that, we'll increase our plans also. Right now, as I mentioned, we have 22 plus engineers. We grow, right? And more customers grow, more we grow.
So as a ITTV, we are wishing you should grow in Hyderabad exponentially, and very soon you will start very big venture here in Hyderabad when we are expecting. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Nice talking to you.
Thank you.